In 2011, Debbie Zepparian spent 5 minutes cleaning a storage shed in California. She was dead within 2 weeks. Not because she was careless. Not because she was unhealthy. Because 5 minutes of breathing in dried rodent droppings was enough. This is how hantavirus works. The virus lives in the urine, droppings, and saliva of infected rodents. When those droppings dry out, the viral particles become airborne. Invisible. Odorless. You breathe them in without knowing. The incubation period is silent up to 4 weeks while the virus multiplies inside your cells. Then your immune system detects it and launches a response so violent it destroys your own lungs. 5 minutes of exposure. Up to 36% chance of death. No cure. No vaccine. This is the virus hiding in plain sight.